As a professionally built custom that delivers on every level, this sweet Camaro Coupe is the kind of car you simply cannot ignore. It cruises like a new SS, sprints like a modern Corvette, and oozes the style and class that made first-generation F-bodies the stuff of legend. The beneficiary of a thorough ground-up restoration, this solid F1 slick hugger orange body is the product of a lot of time spent sweating the details. Bright 2-stage provides a durable mirror-like shine that's poised to last for years. Factory options include dual mirrors, a ZL2 cowl induction hood, D80 spoilers, and a satin black tail panel. And details like shaved doors, functional quarter scoops, and custom tail lamps create a clean and subtle presence. Inside, you'll find a heavily customized interior that wraps a nice blend of classic style and modern convenience around Momo-supplied seats. In front of those leather and suede buckets, a conservative dash frames clean Classic Instruments gauges and a sleek Sony CD player in stylish carbon fiber trim. A custom console centers a Hurst T-handle shifter between push-button start, small power window switches, and controls for the air ride suspension. And an intricate Momo steering wheel spins around a tilting column. Despite what the car's carefully placed fender emblems might tell you, this Panther is actually powered by 396 cubic inches of Chevrolet V8. Behind the buff big block, a tough hydraulic clutch kicks a Borg-Warner T56 6-speed. Who doesn't want a 1969 Camaro that's better than new in virtually every way? Thanks to its fresh restoration, this vivid rally sport retains its authentic muscle car feel while adding modern components to an already awesome ownership experience. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotorscharlotte.com.